throwing the consies back in the rear. I was digging these 5 spokes when it was red, but at the current setup of the car, I think I'd take the consies over these. Back on. So yeah, consies are on. All right, here's the whole squad. Red top stock SR, 228. All right, bigger alternator. I think it's a red top, 228, stock ECU, S13. Somehow, he's done the least maintenance to his car and it's lasted the longest. He's never blown a motor or anything, knock on wood, but insane reliability. All right, obviously my Miata, supercharged 1.6 for anyone that hasn't seen the channel yet. Inline hydro, pretty basic setup, chop knuckles, fun car. FRS, you have just recently got an angle kit. So, stock FRS with the angle kit. Literally, that's it. On coils. And then E36, he just recently did his angle kit. Same thing, stock E36, angle kit with coils. So, pretty basic, just 3 cars. And yeah, ready to go have some fun. Alright, we just got to the spot. Pretty sick. New spot, undisclosed. The last spot got kind of run through, so gotta keep these places on the low, but very slick. Pretty cool though. Up to no good today, to be honest with you guys. Up to no good. I installed a flamethrower kit on the Miata. I had this idea like 3 years ago, was gonna do it on the S14 when I just painted it blue. Bought the kit, everything, didn't tell you I have a Rubim. I was like, yo, I'm finna surprise these guys. It came in, they laughed at me. So I literally told myself, like I threw it on my bed. I was like, bro, one day I'm gonna order a beater car. I'm gonna throw this kit on the beater car. And that's exactly what this is. So spent majority of the day putting together this contraption and it's about ready to get fired up. It's like 6 p.m. right now. I specifically took my time. That way when I fired it up, it was a little bit darker. That way if it does shoot flames, I can see them. But yeah, not gonna bore you guys with the details. I didn't film any of the installation. I didn't wanna like make a step-by-step procedure because I don't condone doing this to your vehicle. I just really want a car that shoots flames. So that's the only reason I did to this. And I want to get a car that shoots flames out of my system before I get rid of this thing. So yeah, let's just jump right in. Gather around, gather around. Yo, the whole gang pulled up. They're on time. Right here, here's the diagram. So,
start. Yeah. Yes. What's your AFR gauge?
It's 55 seconds. Did I press the button and just like, do I just press the button and don't do anything? Pressing the button. Turn off my car. Should I try to press fuel while I do it?
I have no idea. Does the instructions say to rev it when you press it?
You think I read the instructions, bro?
You should.
Do you really think I read the instructions?
Probably should.
It clearly states, yeah. Okay, it says at standstill you'll have flames for a few seconds while the engine winds down until you let off the button before the engine reaches the idle RPM range.
Yeah, probably.
So I think I have to rev it up, cut, and then as soon as it starts going to 2000, let off.
Yeah, maybe.
Alright, let's see. How was that? What's up? How's it look?
Here, I'll rev it.
Yo, is it everything I hoped and dreamed?
This is your dream?
How good is it?
Terrible.
Let's see this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is all coming together. Bro, the homies rolled up.
Nah, that is not okay.
What you mean, my
That
boy?
is not okay. Dude, I'm about to get a flat or something. That's gonna puncture my soul.
Nah, bro, it's Stance Life. Stance Wars top 100 right there. Pretty fire. Bro, wait till you see these flames, bro. Wait until you see these flames.
It's been a while since I held the camera. Yeah. Right? Watch me.